Hi everyone out there, Somi here again. There's just a pair I just want us to look at just before the start of the trading week, and that's the pound against the New Zealand dollar, GBP NZD. Now, I've already covered this pair, but I brushed over it while I was doing my general analysis on the pound. You can also watch that video to get more insight on what the pound is going to do next week. But this pair in particular has us excited here at Investment Live, and I want to get you guys also excited about this pair. Now, if you've been following our work and you want to get our latest videos, kindly subscribe to the channel and be the first to get notifications about our new videos. Now, let me just jump straight into this pair. If I just zoom out a little bit, you will see that it has been trading in this channel for quite some time, for about a year now, and there was an unsuccessful breakout here, and we can see there was another breakout here. This breakout was a little bit more sustained than the first breakout, and now the pair has closed back into this range. Now, closing back into this range, what does it mean? Initial thoughts on this is that the pair will definitely continue falling. Now that it's in the range, there's every likelihood that it's going to continue playing within that range. But we need to look at these two trend lines, and we need to monitor them closely and see how the price plays out around these two areas. But placing a sell trade on this, we can see that setting the first trend line as our take profit, we can see that we can easily get maybe 190 to maybe 200 plus pips on this pair. This second trend line will definitely be our second take profit. We can see that that is in the region of 3 to 400 pips. And if you have the confidence to place a sell trade and hold it for some time, like I said, this trade is going to be, like I said in my previous video, this trade is going to be a trade that will extend into next month. It's not just 1 week we're looking at on this trade. It's going to extend into maybe 2-3 weeks before this whole scenario plays out. And we can see that we have 700 plus pips on this pair, which is available if you have if you're bold enough to hold on to this trade for that long. Now, kindly note that if we see any rejection at this area or see any rejection at this area, I would advise anyone who's following this to exit the trade. 200 and 400 pips it's not bad, but definitely if you have the confidence to hold all the way to the end, you will have a reward of about 700 pips. Placing this trade, I won't advise anyone to jump in at market open or trade early hours of Monday. As I always advise those who care to listen out there, that it's best you wait for the US session on Monday, or better still, just wait till Tuesday. Let Monday play out and then you get a clearer direction. But if Monday should close below Friday's close, then definitely you can jump in on that trade. Your stop loss will also be it's easy to get on this trade. You can just place your stop loss above Friday's high. If you want to be place a tight stop loss, that's about 160 something pips as your stop loss. Considering your stop loss is 160 something pips and you're targeting maybe 700 plus pips, that's quite a good win to loss ratio, profit to loss ratio, sorry. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, we're excited about this trade. We're excited to going forward into next week to see what happens on this pair, and I hope you are all also excited about it as well. So don't forget to subscribe and get the latest video. Have a lovely weekend.